When I designed the card sets, I really wanted to tell a story. I believe in the age of texting, often we don't share and we don't handwrite and we don't send notes the way we used to. And I really miss that. So I decided to come up with 5 different card sets that allowed me and hopefully you to send a card that you write in, that you either you mail it or deliver it, and it has meaning. So for example, every one of my cards is timeless in design, and I love this one, Never Never Give Up, and it's blank inside because I feel like you are the author of your life. And they come in this really cute, you can see it's a gift box, and for storage, because that's one thing I need is help with storage. But they come with 5x7 and regular size cards too. So, but I love that they're timeless. And that was one thing, I love trends, don't get me wrong, but I wanted my cards to be timeless, sophisticated, but meaningful so that you can tell the story. And then the envelopes are so cute that go with them. And I really went for things that I felt would allow you to really share your love and your thoughts with people that you love. And sometimes the perfect card, you just never have any idea what it means to someone when they get a card from you expressing your love and support. So I hope you love my new card sets. I hope they allow you and help you to say the things that you want to share from your heart.